Hydrogen. Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Heavy hydrogen.
Hydrogen gas?
Hydrogenated.
Hydrogen cyanide.
Tommy?
Hydrogen?
Hydrogen peroxide.
God, you.
Hydrogen bomb.
Hydrogen balloon!
Affirmative. Carbon, hydrogen.
Hydrogen's the latest.
A hydrogen bomb.
Helium or hydrogen? Oh, what an...
And your hydrogen.
Bond. Hydrogen bond.
The hydrogen bomb.
Innate femininity.
It might be innate goodness versus innate badness. All up here. It's innate.
Your innate distrust. My innate sense of drama.
Innate ability to handle trouble.
And maybe my innate biology.
The eye carries innate knowledge.
Well, with your innate athletic abilities.
Innate desire to help people.
Intelligence is an innate and universal phenomenon.
And innate knowledge of that ship.
Finally putting my innate physical dexterity.
It already has an innate structure.
It must have an innate knowledge.
And trust the people's innate intelligence.
She has this innate sense of story.
Or innate defects in the child's character.
Her innate immune system was in overdrive.
I blame my innate sense of.
Jaunty.
Cachet, jaunty.
Congeniality.
Consistently congenial.
Congeniality, speed 2, miscongeniality 2.
Genial, you say? Oh, Miss Congeniality.
A partner for me.
So, proves I'm congenial.
More congenial than mine.
I'm more congenial.
And watching Miss Congeniality.
Sit down, be nice, congenial.
Perky, pert, congenial, and fun.
And this year's Miss Congeniality.
What are you running for Miss Congeniality?
And Cape Cod's own Mr. Congeniality.
Tito Ramirez is wrestling Mr. Congeniality.
I'm not running for Miss Congeniality.
Miss Congeniality 2, armed and fabulous. I mean.
Voted me Miss Congeniality instead. At that. Congenitally corrected.
Congenital.
Diabetes that is congenital.
Genital diaphragmatic hernia. He may not.
Probably congenital, but the lumbar.
Which is
A congenital malformation. Congenital cystic adenomatoid malformation.
Oh, so it's congenital. Those things aren't congenital.
Yeah, it's a congenital disease.
And for Robert's congenital heart defect.
Due to congenital aortic stenosis.
The congenital heart condition.
With all features either congenitally.
Genital moron worker bees.
And some babies with congenital diseases, but
He's got a congenital heart defect. My host brain was congenitally underdeveloped.
Out of a biological congenital selfishness.
Penises.
Estrogen, Heather.
estrogen mimicking compounds.
Meg's estrogen supplement?
The estrogen.
And estrogen replacement.
On my estrogen patch prescription.
Penises, Izzy.
Estrogen, George.
Estrogen receptor modulators. vaginal estrogen suppositories.
Maybe it's these estrogen pills.
It's estrogen, not heroin, girl. Who once took horse estrogen and put... That's the estrogen hat trick. Effects you can get from estrogen.
You know, this is estrogen.
We have Malox and estrogen.
When your estrogen level decreases, it will determine your estrogen level.
Start to cry here, blame estrogen.
Progeny.
My progeny.
Progeny.
Not progeny.
Drag your progeny.
This, my young progeny.
Yes, you exist. My progeny were tiny.
Another Frank progeny?
Afraid so.
Oh, that's my progeny. This is the...
I've conceived hundreds of progeny.
Vis-a-vis my progeny.
The founder or his progeny.
The progeny of Parfin that lives still.
And a numerous progeny.
That Bill backed his Nippon progeny.
Roy stole it from his rightful progeny.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like a progeny.
We control the DNA of our progeny.
We must not lose the master's progeny!
Kins?
Kins.
I can.
Jackie Kins.
Chrissy Kins?
Kins up. Kins.
Kins?
Hi, Kins.
Coffee, Kins?
No kin.
Your kin?
Of Eric's kin.
Next of kin.
Benji.
My captor's kin.
Kind.
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 Kind. Kind.
Kind.
Kind.
Kind.
Kind. Kind.
Kind.
Kind.
Kind of.
Kind of.
Yeah. Kind of.
Kind, loving kindness.
Very kind, very kind.
Well, my kind's your kind.
Which kind? That kind.
What kind? All kind.
Kinda.
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 Kinda. Kinda.
Kinda.
Kinda.
Kinda.